Here's how to get instant deposit on Robinhood. So you can do instant transfers with a bank account that's connected with Plaid on Robinhood. It's pretty easy. You don't have to sign up for anything. You can continue as a guest. I'll show you the steps. But once you do that, then that bank account is eligible for instant transfers. So when we go to our account dropdown, we go down to transfers. Inside of here, as we scroll down, we're going to see linked accounts. You may already have a bank account linked. Maybe it was linked just with account numbers and instant deposit is not showing up. So what you would do with that bank, if it's the same one you want linked, is to unlink it and then go add new account and link it with Plaid. Or if you want to link a different bank account, you go to add new account, select bank account, and then this Plaid window will pop up. You don't have to put in your phone number or anything. You just continue as guest at the bottom if you want to. After that, you'll just find your bank and then connect your account. Once you've connected your account, that bank account, once it's verified, will be eligible for instant deposits. So I'm going to exit out of this really quick, get back to the transfer screen. As we scroll up, now when I go to transfer money, I would transfer, let's say it's just $5, right? I'm going to transfer from my bank account to the Robinhood account. And when we go to review that transfer, it still will just look like it's going to be a regular transfer telling you it'll take several days. But once you click the transfer button, if that account is eligible, that bank account, because you linked it with Plaid, it'll pop open with a window that says, do you want to do an instant transfer? You're eligible for it. Or if you've already done some of those, it'll pop open with different windows that basically say that the money is instantly available, etc. So that is how you can do instant deposits, and that's how you can get instant deposit on Robinhood.